Network marketing is so simple, but it is not easy. You know what? Network marketing, how to earn, paano ma-encash yung income mo, ano yung gagawin mo for you to earn, is so simple. It is well explained, lalo na sa compensation plan. Yung product is so simple. Ma-memorize mo lang yung pangalan ng mga produkto mo. Ma-memorize mo lang yung compensation plan ng company mo. Super simple. Kasi paulit-ulit lang naman siya. Product, compensation plan. Product, compensation plan. It is so simple. But it's not easy. Parang sa school, sa pag-aaral, para sa pagtrabaho, ganoon lang din. Napakasimple. Paano ka ba maging professional? Napakasimple. Dumaan ka ng kinder or daycare, mag-elementary ka, tapusin mo yung elementary, tapusin mo yung high school, tapusin mo yung college, you are now already a professional. Paano mo yung course mo? It is so simple. Napakasimple lang. Tapusin mo lang to, ilang taon. Sa elementary, 6 years. Ngayon sa high school, 6 years na din. Sa college, 4 years. Yung iba, ilang years din. So simple, but it is not easy. Ganun lang din sa buhay natin. Whether ano man yung ginagawa natin. Again, it's so simple, but it's not easy. Kailangan masipag ka, kailangan matibay loob mo, kailangan kahit anong pagsubok pagdadaanan mo, tutuloy ka pa din. Kasi, all of the hard work will be paid off pagdating ng tamang panahon. Maybe right now, bata ka pa, maybe right now, nag-i-start ka pa, lalo na elementary ka pa, don't give up, keep on moving forward until matapos mo yung 6 years mo being an elementary. Pag high school ka na, tapusin mo yon. 6 years din yan kasi may K-12. Pagkatapos mo yon, meron na namang 4 years pang college. Pagkatapos mo yung 4 years ng college, pwede ka na magtrabaho and you are already a professional. Ganun lang din. And network marketing, ganun lang din siya. So simple. Kumuha ka ng ganito, kikita ka ng ganito, ito yung mga produkto. Napakasimple. But it's not easy. Hindi madali. Diba? So, what will you have to do is kahit mahirap, kahit nakakapagod, kahit nakakatamad mang gawin mo lang. Because one thing is for sure, if you do not give up, marami kang knowledge na makukuha. Maraming ma-equip sa'yo. And that knowledge, that mindset, yan yung tutulong sa'yo para ma-achieve mo yung goals mo. Maybe right now, ang goal mo, makapag-travel. Either local or international. Maybe right now, you have a goal na gusto mo naman magkasasakyan. Maybe right now, you have a goal na makabili ng sariling lupa, makapagpatayo ng sariling bahay. Iba-iba tayo ng goal. Ano ba yung goal mo ngayon? Just hold on to it and believe in it. If naniniwala ka na sa ginagawa mo na yan ngayon, naniniwala ka na makukuha mo siya, sipagan mo lang. The moment masipag ka, sabi nga nila, if may itinanim ka, may aanihin ka. So, dapat yung tinatanim mo, maibibigay yung pangarap mo.